How to close Atlantic Union Bank account. Before closing your account, make sure you stop all automatic payments and direct deposits linked to it. Update your employer, subscriptions, and bills with your new account information to avoid missed payments. Transfer your remaining balance. Move your money to another bank account through online banking, mobile app, or by visiting a branch. Always leave a small amount for any pending transactions to clear. Once the balance is zero, you'll need to contact Atlantic Union Bank to request account closure. You can do this by visiting a local branch in person, calling their customer service at 1-800-994-828, or sending a secure message through online banking. Be prepared to verify your identity with your account number, social security number, and a valid ID if you go in person. Ask for written confirmation or an email stating your account has been closed. This protects you if there are any future issues. Thanks for watching.